Yo, what's up? Good morning and good night to you all. Oh, I haven't used Metro in a while, so you probably heard that sound back there. I haven't used Metro in a while, so definitely it's gonna take some time for me to get used to, because I'll just end up getting a car. And right now I'm actually heading to DMC. I forgot, it's some cafe that sells cookies, because today's a cookies and cream day for those car events. So that's why I think I'm gonna be heading there right now. I'm using the Metro. I haven't used Metro for I think nearly a long time. For nearly a whole while I haven't used Metro. So I think for now I'm just gonna sit down, wait for some time to run loose, and we're gonna be heading to close to the cafe where there's gonna be a lot of sport cars and car events going on. So that's why I'm going there, just getting prepared, trying to I'm gonna pick my car up right now. That's why I'm heading there right now using the Metro, because it's a cheaper way and there's no one here. So that's why I'm speaking like this. Okay, so I think let's not waste any more time. Let's get going, let's get rocking, let's get the day started with you guys. Good morning and enjoy today's video. Thumbs up, let's go. Yay! Ferrari, dude. Look at that Ferrari, bro. I ain't gonna hit that shit. I have no income after that.
A little cutie right there. That's like the miniature. Oh look, what's inside this hopper? Look, very nice seats. Oh my god. Oh look, okay, thank you. Okay, good. Luckily the wheel was good. Very nice. Oh my gosh, the patrol's trying to fit in. Damn. Oh gosh, it looks so. Oh my gosh, it's like so cornered. It's so cornered. Oh gosh, look at that. It's gonna take some time to fill in. Damn, this is tight. That's tight, but it's okay. More cars, BMW. One big game. Rex, Megane RS. Why are you hiding here, little boy? You're fast too, you know. Oh, Recaro seats. Oh yeah, we're not sports, have the Recaro seats installed. I think manually. No, it's already installed when you buy the car. 05, oh, this definitely goes racing on the circuits. You can tell. Ooh, nice one, nice one. And we got a lot of cars around here. Go on the right side. We have an Alfa Romeo. And we have a Jaguar as well. We got the WRX STI. With some paw, cat paw. Some cat paw probably walking there. We got this red car. I wonder what this is. It's a Plymouth. And it looks clean and colorful. And we got this one. Walk right to the back. We get the Sylvia. Oh, this is nice. The rims as well. It's hella clean from inside as well. Right? We got this as well. Honestly, cars get out later. I don't know what's the backside, but I'm showcasing you all the cars that they have here. Ah, damn, that's a nice surfboard on top of your porch, dude. Looks like them typical rich people that disregard. Like, goddamn, man. Here we got this. Oh my gosh, what happened to this? They had no spare parts. Oh man, that's sad. That's actually pretty sad. Pretty sad. But let's keep going. Then we got an off-road monster. Suits more of a rainforest, I'm not gonna lie. Rainforest. And we got the, oh, this is the CL wagon, CLS wagon. Please tell me, yes it is. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm fucking in love with wagons. I'm not gonna lie, man. I love wagons, really. Of course, you got the G25. Got a Mustang GT 5.0, you got the Audi S3, and you get a Sierra? No way. You get the Sierra off the boat. Look at that. That is one big ass monster. And then you see like a little car right next to it. God damn, man. Just parked right next to it as well. That's actually pretty crazy. Really nice, nice wrap on it. And now we technically searched the whole area. There's not much at the back. Let's head the back and let's see. You get to see the McLaren just right at the back here. Oh. I love how people just clean their cars and look so clean. You can't see because tinted windows, but you get the point. Damn. He accidentally hit those wheels. And we got the Tessie. We got the Tessie. Then we check this guy's Instagram. Yes. We're gonna check that guy's Instagram to see his car and see his little plushies as well. Damn, that's cute. That's actually pretty cute. Let's go walk fast before they try to cruise me around here. Let's have a look. Not much. We saw the Pontiac Firebirds. Pontiac Firebird we saw from the BMWs, from the Renault to the BMW. Oh damn, that car sounded nice. I want to go there. I think I'm gonna search the place. I'm going to like aerial flybys. I can't believe how cool this R32 is, man. 320 on the speedometer. Look at that. Yo, isn't that nice? God damn. Oh, we got Mercedes here. Hey. Oh, the wagons as well. It is nice. This thing sounds loud, I'm not gonna lie. That's very loud as well. There's so much people turning on their car. I think everybody's leaving of some sort. Ah, that's beautiful. AMG power. I'm really fascinated about this car number 203. Number 203 and the real Fiat. Oh damn, man. I don't get disturb people's way, but this car is really cute. Look at it there. Oh, it's a manual as well. Damn, that's cool. Oh, this was the Ferrari we saw earlier at the car parking lot. Yeah, you guys saw it earlier, but now I can show you that. Oh, he has a GoPro. Oh, he knows we're watching. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, man. Yeah, that's cool, man. I'll hope to see my face on YouTube, you know. Reactions are immaculate. I just walked through here and I saw this. What in the world is this car? It's a Porsche. What in the world? It's parking inside as well. Speedster. Goddamn, who's burning? Goddamn, this. Some road rage happening there. I love the purple color though. If I want to get a car, I'll probably get like this color, the purple. Nice. Especially with the Merc or something. You know what I mean? Look at it. Nice. Nice and clean, you know. It's giving me sweats. I'm kind of sweating here, don't lie. It's in the yachts. You can see yachts right there. Alright, let's get going home. It's kind of getting hot here. And that was for today's shoot. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Remember, if you guys like to see some cars like this or things that I do, especially around walking around this car park, these cafes, just let me know so I can go through more of this stuff, okay? And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are smiling because I'm smiling. So if I'm smiling, you're supposed to be smiling. I know that's like a Roman Atwood reference, but I'm trying to do this to you guys as well, if you understand my reference. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, take care of your health because we only have one life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.